amount of people here.
How hard are people to put this in?
Yeah, so just there it is.
If I turn the lights on the display on, at the push, you should be able to turn that strip light off if you'd rather.
Yeah, it's got to be dark.
What? Oh, sorry. I can't have it too dark, obviously I have to stay in all that. If you put that on and knock that off,
Yeah.
that'll be alright?
Yeah. Darker the better. Especially
Switches.
Okay.
So it's switched off.
That's better.
Top of the chimney. This is where this chimney in the middle wouldn't have been there. This would have been all one massive gangway to the top of the chimney to pour everything down. So obviously you've got young boys from the age of about 10 working here, up until about, well, when you couldn't move, basically. Quite happy for you to go out and have a look at the chimney now, but I'd rather we didn't use that tonight. But only if we're very, very careful.
Okay.
Just because the parapet wall isn't very big.